Welcome back to Scratch Tutorial by Oman Agarwal. Today we are diving into a maze of mystery. And guess what? You get to build it, you get to play it, and you get to win it. Have you ever wondered what happened if you get stuck in a maze? Don't worry. We have got some Scratch magic to help us escape. Let's create a fun-filled maze adventure together. And hey, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. But before we start building, can you help me escape the maze without touching the walls? Let's find out. First, I'll show you the demo. You can see I have a sprite dog. Its name is Dot. I need to help him to get out of the maze. He needs to go to his town. Can you help him? Yes, so let's go. Ow! Ouch, ouch, ouch. He's making the sound bark because he's touching the wall. Come on. Oh no. Yay! We need to reach the... Oh! It made a sound. Oh, one more maze. Let's go. Hooray! I'm back to my town. Do you want to make this game with me? Let's go. First, I'll delete this sprite cat. I'll take a backdrop, color for city. Now we are going to choose a sprite. I'll just take sprite dot sprite. Make it a little smaller. We can make it 60. Great. Select this stage. Go to backdrops. I will just make a backdrop. Outline 0. I'll take the color something like this. We are going to draw mazes. I'll take this color. Good. Go to blocks. This square. I'll just take blue color. For make walls. Make a maze. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, this is done. Now I will make it here. This much. Okay, I'll draw one here and one over here. Okay, now I'll just duplicate this. I'll put this here. I'll change its direction, making another maze. I'll make it standing. Put it here. This over here. This over. Yeah, done. Here I will make one block to enter in second maze. I'll change its color to green, and here also I will make a block. I'll change its color to pink. I'll just duplicate one, just delete these all. Delete it. Now I'll write a text here. Game over. Game over. Changing its font. Done. I'll change its color. Red I can take. Great. Now here I'll write a text again. Hooray! I am back to my town. Hooray! I'm back to my town. Done. Let's go to the code. Select dot. Let's start with the coding. Go to events. We will take when space key pressed. First, we'll take right arrow, motion, point in direction 90, move 10 steps. Duplicate this. Some changes 90 into minus 90. Right arrow to left arrow. I'll show you how it works. Oh, it's turned down. Not this. You can see this direction over here. Click on this. There are down something. This repeat, non-repeat and left right. I'll take left right. Now see the effect. When I click right arrow, it's going right side. Left arrow, left side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You can just duplicate it again. Just put it here. Up arrow. Click on this point in direction. I'll take 0. Now duplicate this block. Keep it here. Up arrow to down arrow. Point in direction 180. Boom! Done. I'll show you. Down key. Up key. Down key. Up key. Right. Left. Done. Go to events again. When flag clicked, go to looks. Switch backdrop to go to stage again. I'll take this maze one. We can do this so that we could not get confused. Maze 1. This maze 2. Maze 2. Done. This game over. To colorful city, I'll name it town instead of colorful city. Done. Go to codes. Switch backdrop to maze 1. Motion. Go to XY. Go to X minus 209. Y we will take 142. Now see the effect. What will happen? When flag clicked, we have gone to the maze 1. This is done. Go to control, forever loop, if then block. Go to sensing, touching color, eyedropper. Done. Now go to motion, take move 10 steps instead of 10. I will take minus 10. Great. Now let's see. It's moving 10 steps back. Negative means going backwards. Now we can duplicate this, delete this block, delete this block too. Go to sensing, take touching, if then touching, edge. Go to looks, take switch backdrop to game over. Go to motion, go to XY. Here Y I will take 75 and X minus 20. And here go to control. I'll take stop all. Boom, done. I'll show you again. Then steps backwards. On edge. Oh, game over. Great. Now I think you understood this. Go to events. When flag clicked, control, forever, if then. Now go to sensing, take touching color, eyedropper, touching color green. I'll just duplicate this block. Oh, the whole code is duplicated. I'll just remove this. Done. Go to looks, take switch backdrop to maze 2. The position will come down, switch backdrop will come up. I'll show you again. It's moving down. Oh, going back. 10 steps, trying to cross it. Now look, crossing the first maze. Great! Now you can duplicate this block, put it here. Touching color pink, switch backdrop to town, go to X 21 and minus 96. I'll show you again. Crossing the first maze, enter in second, trying to cross it. Gone 10 steps back. Oh, yay! Now, to this, we are going to add some sounds so that it will be very interesting. Go to sounds, have this bark sound. You can select this bark sound. I already have it. So I will take this. It sounds like this. Sound. Start sound bark for dog dot. Go to sounds. You will see choose a sound one. Click on that. Now I will take a sound loose for game over. Loose. I got the sound loose. Very louder. I'll make it little softer, 2 times softer. Little more. This much is great. Go to code. Play sound loose. We will take 2 more sounds. Go to sounds. Add sound. First I will take connect. Then move to next maze. Connect. Click on connect. Let's see the sound. This much is great. Start sound, play sound, connect until done. Go to sounds again, choose a sound. Now I will take the last sound. Ta-da! Ta-da! Very much loud. Done. Play sound ta-da until done. For town. Boom. The coding is done. To make you understand, I will show you in a big screen. Let's start. I have to help the dog go down. Oh. Bark. Oh no, game over. It's okay. Let's try it again. Move, move, move. Yahoo! One maze solved. Oh, bark. Hooray! The dog Dot is back to his town. Great, we solved it. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.